What's up, guys? I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Today I am in Mexico and I was checking out all the cool things that you could potentially make at some of the local shops, and we're about to take off from Costa May or Coco May or something else like that, but it was an amazing day. I'm going to show you a few things that I think you guys could make in your shops, or make starting out with this. So we're about to take off from Mexico right here. We went to a couple shops and had a really good time here in Costa May, Mexico. One was this keychain. This keychain was outstanding. The other thing is that I got were these bracelets, which I love. This guy made these bracelets in like under 5 minutes. Was absolutely incredible. These bamboo glasses were something that you can cut out by yourself or with a CNC. Not by yourself, with a CNC definitely, or a laser cutter. But anyways, I really dug the handmade stuff, like this Mexico sign. Very easy thing to cut out with your laser cutter, but just add the enamel paint. Like this keychain, for instance, is something that you can definitely add the enamel paint after you cut it out. This topper was really cool, the spinner that I got, but that's not something really for a laser cutter, but definitely for woodworkers. So, but anyways, we're about to take off from Costa. Okay, the horn blew out my ear. But I wanted to give you an update. I'm so happy to be in Mexico and have some of this stuff in my head. All these really cool ideas of this very warm, beautiful place. So take care. I hope you're all doing well and warm weather comes to all of you soon. Bye from Mexico. Yes. What is your name? Eric. Eric, nice name. So how long have you been doing this? 6 years? And so are you from this area? Or? Right. So how long on average does it take you to make one of these? No, like that's minutes. So you made this in around 5 to 6 minutes. Do you think so? I mean, you're so crazy fast. I mean.